Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a Toro personal pace lawnmower with a Briggs & Stratton engine. Customer thinks the employees may have put diesel in the gas tank. I will verify that and I'll show you how I deal with that problem. The way I'm going to verify this is with a turkey baster, very simple. Squeeze out some of the fluid in the gas tank, dump it into a container and have a smell. So it is quite thick. It does smell a bit like gas, but not the way it should smell. So I think it's about half and half here, half diesel, half gas. So what I'm going to do here is reach down, disconnect the fuel line from the carburetor here, and drain all the fuel that is in that gas tank. Okay, so I'll reach in and undo the clip here. So I'll empty out the gas tank and then I'll come back and show you how I'm going to get this thing fired up again. Okay, the tank is emptied out. I'm just going to reconnect the fuel line here. Now I'm going to put some gas in here. Okay, so you're probably wondering, well, there's still diesel fuel in the carburetor. Well, I know that's in there, but what I'm going to do now that I've put the gas in there is just shoot some quick start through here or a carb cleaner, and I'm going to run it, and the diesel fuel that is mixed with the fuel in the carburetor will get sucked into the engine and burn it all off. So it's going to get a bit smoky, but after a while it's going to clear itself up. And what I'm actually using here today is carb cleaner. Okay, so that went pretty well. So what I did in essence there by just keeping on spraying carb cleaner in here is eventually it sucked up all the diesel that was mixed in with the gas and burnt it. That little bit of diesel fuel won't cause any damage to your engine. The worst thing it can do is make it so that your machine won't start. So if you get diesel fuel in your fuel tank, you can do what I do, drain the fuel tank and then spray carb cleaner and keep feeding it in the hopes that it will suck it all up and burn it. If you do what I did today and you still can't get it to go, or it's not sucking in all the diesel fuel that's in the carburetor, you will have to take the carburetor bowl off or the entire carburetor and completely drain it. So I kind of got lucky today because the gas that was in there was mixed in with the diesel fuel. It wasn't just pure diesel. because if it had just been pure diesel, I probably would have had to take the carburetor off. Hopefully this helps you guys. Also, make sure to replace the spark plug after you do this and check your air filter. So it's not that hard. If you get diesel fuel, just do what I did. Drain all the fuel out and the carburetor if necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and have a great day.